What's up, guys? Welcome to PlayingMan. Fake it till you make it. Today I'm going to be unboxing the DEWALT FLEXVOLT ADVANTAGE Hammer Drill. Did I say defaulty? Alright, to start off, just wanted to show you guys the drills that I had before purchasing this one. These are the previous versions of the FLEXVOLT drill. Looks like they did a little bit of upgrade. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with the Advantage, but I'm about to find out in this box. But as you see, this one still works. I bought this one not too long ago and literally just stopped getting power from the battery. I don't know what happened, and that's why I decided to call it the default drill, because it's very defaulty. And then this guy, my chuck, got stuck in the outward position. You know, when you unscrew the chuck or whatever. Doing this, I guess I did it too far. What the heck? It's working now. That's insane. You can't adjust the speed on it, but the chuck actually works now. So right away, I can see this is a little bit different than the previous one by the yellow speed marks here, or the torque settings. Alright, so right offhand, the box, it's nice, you know? It looks good. It looks like a product I want to pick up. It actually made it look like a toy by how smooth the plastics are and everything, and looks like this might be a rendering, but still, they make it look like a toy, and a really pretty toy. So without further ado, guys, let's just break this box open. Okay, the tape isn't very tough. It doesn't say which end to open, so I just picked the side. Okay, I see why you don't have to pick an end, because it comes in this nice bag here. This is nice. I love these bags. These bags are tough. I keep a lot of stuff in these bags. In fact, I have a plumbing bag, electrical bag, a drywall bag, and I have a, what was the other one? Like a painter's type bag. Let's unzip it. Nice solid zipper. Never had any of these zippers go bad on me on these bags. And like I said, I use them a lot. I love how it stays open. Yeah, they got metal bars in there that makes the opening nice and sturdy. They come with nice bags. Very cool. Alright, what do we got in here? Alright, so this is the grip. Oh, it looks different from the previous drill. It's really nice. That's a nice grip. I like it. The manual is in here. As you can see, it's kind of wrinkled up. They didn't put much thought into it. It looks actually kind of dirty. You know, if you're going to package something, make it look like the person's proud to buy it. Have this on top. It just doesn't look that great. And I'm sure from me smashing the bag. Just to, like, you spent a lot of money on this thing. The least they could do is make a cardboard cover for this thing. The inside of the bag looks rather nice and organized. It looks inviting and fun to unbox. Except for this. I mean, this box is just ugly. This is the battery box. I don't know what voltage it is. I mean what amps these batteries are. Okay, these are 6-volt batteries. I have a 9-volt on this one. Just that 9-volt battery is about as much as this drill. But, okay. So we got in a little bag. The batteries are so nice, though. They're just so dang heavy. That's the only downside. But they have some power. So I've been using DEWALT for years. I went through a whole cabin, built a lot of decking with these drills. And as you can see, the batteries, over time, have issues getting in place. And they start to get, like, sticky. And, man, some of my tools, I literally got to bang it down like that to pop the battery out. It could be me. Maybe some WD-40 might fix it. But moving right along. Got the charger. Honestly, I'm not sure if this is a fast charger or not. It looks like it is. Obviously, it's a lot bigger than the slow charging ones. This is what I'm used to unboxing. The yellow chargers. It came with a black one that looks very similar. I like the yellow ones better, honestly. I just like the color better. The way it meets, to me, is clunky and kind of cheap. There's no satisfying click there. Kind of like the click you get with the magnetic power charger for like the iMacs. And it makes that satisfying noise. Here you don't get that. You get like a almost forced moving out of the way of plastic to get into place. So this is how the drill is packaged. Pulling out the drill. It's got a nice weight to it. Good balance. Real nice balance. The only difference I can see so far is the yellow settings here. These are great drills though, don't get me wrong. I've mixed concrete and self-leveling with these drills, and I've tried the same with their power drill that you plug in, and it destroyed it like within minutes. trying to mix concrete, and these things just whip right through it. So maybe I'm abusing them. That's how I broke these other ones. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're beautiful. Look at that. It's a pretty drill. So it comes with this little clip with a quality of plastic used on the bag. I am a little confused about the clip. As you can see, the old clip has a notch right in the middle of this to fit in these little divots, and it's not fitting. But there's the screw hole, right? It doesn't look like it's made for the drill. It looks like they reversed it. So they want you to put it on like this now. As you can see, this clip is notched. No notch there. And the notch is made so it's able to sit there like that. But I got a clip that's not notched. Doesn't make any sense. But obviously you don't hang your tool like this. That is so weird. What in the world? I'm just going to take the clip off my old one. Put it on here. Let me know in the comments section, guys, if you got this drill. Was your clip made the same way? And so obviously, if you don't know what this clip is for, is to hang on your belt like this. I'm not wearing a belt, but I think I might have put my clip on the wrong side. Yeah, I did. It's on this side, so I got. Anyway, moving right along. Let's see what it feels like with this bad boy on there. Basically, this tightens up this handle here. So that's cool how it's kind of a one and done type thing. It's tight, and man, trust me, this thing is pretty handy, especially, I don't know if that's upside down or not, probably left or right, whatever. Put it at the bottom, probably the top, because it's hot. And that's handy when you're drilling into concrete, which I've done several times with my drill. So it has the 3 torque modes. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. There's almost a little bit of kickback on that 3rd one. And then you got your speeds up to 11. And then you go past 11 to drill, and then you got the hammer drill. What the hammer drill does is up and down as it's turning. Great for concrete. Anyway, guys, I know I called it defaulty drill at first. That was just a joke and fun. It's not at all, really. The one I thought was broken isn't, even though I tried to beat it with the hammer. It's still working and functioning just fine. I can't change the speed of it. So when that broke down, I bought this one, and it has that power issue. DEWALT would have fixed it if I sent it in, but never did. Anyway, guys, this is a really cool product. Packaging can use some work. But anyway, thanks for joining us today, guys. Come back next time for another PlayingMan video, and don't forget to fake it till you make it.